Hello everybody. In this WordPress video I will be teaching you how you can install WordPress using your cPanel. So my browser is still open. If you have already purchased web hosting and domain name, you have got your cPanel, then you will be here on your cPanel that we discussed already in previous video. So now if you want to install WordPress from your cPanel using tools, so there are default tools are included in your cPanel software which you can use to install WordPress very easily. Just scroll down and the main folder of your website will be this one, file manager, where all of your files will be saved in this from this folder. Your website will be displayed on the browser. However, you can find other tools like mail tools, SEO and marketing tools, logs, security, domains, databases, and other softwares as well, and some advanced things. But the important thing is that every cPanel or every hosting provider gives you a different cPanel which might have some less options, some less features, or some more features. That depends on your hosting provider. However, most of the hosting providers who give you a cPanel is by default having some softwares, some auto installers which you can use to install WordPress. And in this case we will be using SoapQless. SoapQless is a software, or you can say application, which installs many scripts for you very easily. So you will find this software over here in the software section or in the advanced software sections. So you can use this. You can see software and services, and here is this software, SoapQless. You will have to click this. So after clicking this, there will be a new user interface for SoapQless, where you can find any of the script you want to install. For example, you want to create a blogging platform, so you will find scripts from this blogs category. If you want to create a forum, you will find forum scripts here, and all of them are free. One thing you must keep in mind, that all of these scripts are free to use and to install. If you want to create a website, social network like Facebook, then you can use this category. There will be many scripts when you click this one. For example, I clicked it, so there are many scripts. Just by one click you can install any of these scripts. However, this is our WordPress training, so we'll only be focusing on WordPress. Oh, I have come back to this page. Now when you click SoapQless, the first script you will find is WordPress, and that's why, because WordPress is very popular and most often installed by the webmaster when they got a cPanel and a web hosting. And there are many others, for example like OpenCart and Drupal and PHPBB etc. But we need to install WordPress, so we will be installing WordPress from here. You can see the demo of WordPress from here. Install button is here. Just you need to click it once and the process will be started automatically, and you will just give some information for your site, and after that you will get your WordPress dashboard. So we will click this button, install, because we don't need to see the demo etc. Just click it. After clicking it, you will find some software setup page from where you can make some settings if you want. The first thing is that which protocol you want to use for displaying your website in the browser. HTTP colon and // or if you click this, there will be a list of www.https and https.www. so you can choose anyone, but I prefer always either use HTTP or HTTP www. This is more this is more clear and search engine friendly. Choose domain. If you have more domains, so you will find your list of domains if you have more domains on this web hosting. So you will find the list, but now we have just one domain, equal rights all. I just selected that. In directory they are saying that if you want to create a different directory for this for this installation, for this WordPress installation, then they are saying that you can write that directory's name here, and by default they have written WP mean WordPress. But actually if you install this setup with the WP, then your website will be looking like this: www example.com and /vp. Your website homepage will be opening or this address. For example, after your site's name there will be WP directory. So you must remove this if you want to show your exact site or your original site URL. So you must remove this and leave this blank. Now the database name, you can just add the database name over here. For example, if you are creating a site for wallpaper, so you can add its name as wallpaper. I mean the database name is wallpaper, because by default they add WP a default database name, so that is not appropriate or does not look well. So you can change that. In the table prefix you also can change. This is by default cannot be say. Okay, they are saying that 7 characters are the maximum letters for a database name. I just said wall. Okay, that's fine. Now this is the table prefix. Table prefix means that the tables will be created like WP comments, WP posts, WP categories, etc. So you can change it as well, like wall underscore. You just leave it, and after that wall comments, wall this and wall that. Now the rest of the setting is very easy. My blog, your blog name. What is your blog? For example, I say the wallpaper avenue. Just for example, you will find all HD wallpaper on this website. This is the description, and now you have to give here the password, username and the password for this WordPress installation. So you can change it. However, for now we will keep admin and pass, because we can change it later on the WordPress dashboard. And after finally you can just say install. You can just click install button. You can observe here, and installation will be started automatically. However, you can also add an email address where the software will send an email after the installation is complete, but you can leave it blank if you don't want that. Just I will click install now. So the installation has begun, and now just you can wait for a few moments and it will complete. This is very easy process. Just I wanted to tell you about each point, so you may not make a mistake while installing WordPress. And this is of course very easy process. After this installation, we will install WordPress manually on our web server, the same like cPanel. So you will learn that as well, and after that we will install WordPress on our local host. This is 60% complete, and now in front of you in a note is written over here: this may take 3 to 4 minutes. Please do not leave this page until the progress bar reaches 100%. So I hope you have understood what this note is saying. Okay, that's complete. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. WordPress has been successfully installed at this website. Now just you click this, so you will see the default WordPress theme 2020 WordPress theme. You can see over here the new WordPress style, and it's saying administrative URL, this one, equalrightsall.org WP admin. Just click it and you will find WordPress dashboard login page. So we have just done the WordPress installation. Now this is our admin, where we will just write admin and the password was also admin, and just click login. Oh my god, password was pass and username was admin. Just login and you will be redirecting to WordPress dashboard. This is your dashboard from where you can manage your website very easily, and you can post anything you like. So it was just very simple procedure. Next video I'll be teaching you how to install WordPress manually. Stay tuned.